Car? Yeah.
All right.
Waving.
Wave to the car. All right, ready? Huh. Yeah. Oh boy.
You want to go back up? Of course. Okay. Mommy's right there for you.
Ready to do the next one? I know it's going to be a lot of dirt because we had our shoes on here too. Okay? 2 stairs. Yeah. Stand. You're doing good. You gotta get your feet though. Feet. And up. Okay. There you go. Step on the chair. There you go. Okay. All right.
One
No,
more.
we're going up, not down. Up. Puppy.
Oh, so he's
Yeah,
here to
so
watch
he's
you
here to
come down the
watch.
slide.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, one more step and you're there.
Or you're there. You want to go down by yourself? Or you want to go with me again? You want to go by yourself? Okay.
Okay,
ready?
Grandma will catch you.
Ready?